That day was extra special, Turvi's first train journey. The little twinkle in her eyes while hearing the whistle, the excitement of watching the world rush past the window. Every moment was priceless. From the rhythmic sound of the wheels to the gentle breeze on her face, everything felt like a story unfolding. Moments like this remind me that life is about reliving childhood, wandering through our children, a little girl's face to become a parent's forever memory. The joy of watching her tiny hands press against the window grills and her curious eyes following every little thing. It was pure magic. She squealed with laughter every time the whistle blew. Kolkata itself added its own charm. From the heritage streets to the lively corners, Turvi's laughter made the whole city feel new again. For every mother, there's a special joy in holding her child close while showing them the wide, wide world. And today, I felt exactly that. The breeze brushing her little cheeks. Everything was new, everything was magical. She clapped her tiny hands and a smile lit up the whole area. I felt emotional beyond words. Her little laughter, her excitement, her curiosity turned this ordinary day into an unforgettable memory. It is a celebration of love, warmth, and togetherness. I'm extremely happy today for my daughter's smile, for her innocent wonder, and for these memories that will stay in my heart forever.